Gates open, they're up and racing. Erica's talent, as expected, draws for your lead. Victory Ranger is right behind in second, running on the outside, Precious Metal. Fabiola running by the rail, next in line, Friendly Fire running alongside the Speedy Kim Royal Academy, then followed now by Bachelor of Arts, then comes Super Elegant, while Zalazam is running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the 1,000 meter, we have Erica's Talent in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Pressing up Nawadi outside, Victory Ranger. Royal Academy now running in third, racing in fourth, Precious Metal. Fabiola is down in fifth, next in line, Friendly Fire is Speedy King, Bachelor of Arts, Super Elegant, and Salazam is still trailing the group. Heading towards the last 600, Victory Ranger now leading the field. Erica's Talent drops back in second. Running in third is entry number 8. And that's Royal Academy. Precious Metal now running in third as they turn to the final 450. Victory Ranger fighting back down on the inside. Erica's Talent. Super Elegant. Likewise closing in together with Speedy Kim, Precious Metal. And now running by the rail, moving up is Friendly Fire. Victory Ranger, Super Elegant, Friendly Fire down on the inside. Erica's Talent is Speedy Kim with the last 100 meters. Super Elegant moving up on the outside to grab the lead. And finally, Super Elegant. Victory Ranger close between number 5 Friendly Fire and Speedy Kim, Precious Metal for your Pentapecta.